Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Captain AJ with A&B Saltwater Adventures. We're looking at another pretty day here at a Topsail. This sun's coming up. It's beautiful. Ocean about 1 to 2 foot seas, barely any wind, so it's a little hot, but it's a really pretty sea state that we've got today. Have a near shore this morning, then a half day this afternoon, so it should be a pretty good day. All right, we'll see you out there. Once you get him up, really good job. Good job. Just keep reeling.
You look like you're struggling.
I see it.
There he is.
Look, it's like a flounder.
Yeah, sea bass. Sea bass. Look, that's a keeper too. Nice. You want a picture with him? Hold the line right there. I get a picture for you.
Hey.
We got you in there, Henry. Go there. Nice. Oh, that's what we're looking for. That's what we're looking for. Good job, man. Here, you gotta get a picture with that one. Hey, you got some salad to go with it.
Yeah, see?
That's a pretty one. You get it? That's what we're looking for. Good job. Little bass. Oh, that's a better one. Oh, yeah. Hold on, Henry, get you. That's probably a shark. Just nice and easy. Nice and easy. Because it could be a cobia, too.
Shark, you said?
Uh-huh.
Yes, slowly. I want to see it. Please don't.
I think he's on there. Oh, wow. It's big.
Yeah, nice shark. All right, buddy, here, move that pole out of the way. Right there. Oh, that's it. Nice shark. Cool deal. All right, don't reel no more. Just kind of bring him. Yeah, don't reel no more.
Whoa. You a fighter?
I'd say so. You fight pretty good.
Henry, if Dad pops Rex line, it's gonna go right in your head. Wow.
So, you want to hold him, get a picture?
Yeah.
So you hold him just like this? Come in just like that. Watch that tail. He will hit you, Henry. He'll hit you. No, just hold it top like this. Because
No,
take
you
this
can
hand,
hold it
move
with 2 hands at the
yeah.
top.
Because he can twist his body really good.
Henry, you want to touch it? Hold on. Wait, Henry, let him take a picture.
Yeah, he's pulling good. Probably. Hopefully it's a cobia, but it's probably a shark.
Oh yeah, I think it's a shark. Yep, it's a shark.
It's a shark.
A sharky dorky.
Okay. Right here, back up real sharp.
Oh, I think it's bigger. It's bigger. It's bigger.
Yeah, it is. Good job, buddy. Good job.
Flip it onto his back or something.
Oh, you had to show me up.
Cool deal.
Nice.
Wait, can we keep another one?
You can. You keep one per person. I would keep 2. That's probably amazing. I would keep 2. He's a very angry shark. Put that rod in the rod holder right there. Give him some slack. Okay. You want to hold him?
Yeah.
Now you got to hold it real nice and tight, okay?
Okay.
So you come in just like this right here.
Yeah.
Come in. All right, hold him nice and tight, real tight. Yeah, that's why you don't hold his tail, because he can push away from you, and he'll
Hey, look at mommy.
he'll
Right.
come loose.
Okay, you want to let Matthew or let Henry hold it?
No, hold on.
Wait.
Let me get a picture. I'll take him and give him to you, okay?
Let him do it.
Yeah.
If you want to see him, like
Okay. All right.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
that's not fun.
All right, Henry.
Okay, Henry,
You
go
come right here, buddy. Watch
Nice
your
and
tail.
tight, right
hard.
around his neck.
Yep. Come up a little
Squeeze him
higher.
hard.
Yep. A little higher. Squeeze him hard, okay?
You're not gonna hurt him.
Yeah, you're not gonna hurt him.
We're gonna kill him anyway.
Hmm?
Cool.
Quit measure just so
Good
how
job.
big it is?
Yeah, I can measure for you. How big do you think he is?
32.
32. Let's go. We go to the court. Well, if we go over, yeah, she's right at a little over. You can measure him to the fork.
Okay.
So he's right at almost 32.
Wait.
Now my wrist.
Whew, good job, dude.
Thanks.
Pretty work. What you got?
Nice.
Tom Tate. Another Tom Tate. Good job. We need a bait fish. From Vermont, drives a Subaru. Oh man, he came off. It's all right.
Any water?
Yeah, let him redo it.
Just keep him line tight, guys. Just help him. Yeah, there you go.
Crank.
Yeah, just help him. There you go.
Big fishy.
Crank it, dude.
You got it, buddy.
Wait.
If he runs, just let him go.
You got him, buddy.
It's
Sure.
It's a shark.
You can crank him in. You got it.
Oh
I
yeah.
think yours is bigger than mine.
Hey.
All right, let it go. Let
Yeah,
it
yeah. If he runs, just let him go. Don't reel.
go. Don't reel.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Boat.
He's all right. Just hold the rod off the boat, just like that. It's
All
perfect.
right, now can you crank?
Nice and smooth.
There you go. Ooh, it's a nice size. It's a nice one. All right.
Oh, leave him in the water. Leave him in the water.
Don't reel.
No, don't reel no more. Well, that's pretty big. That might be either the same size or as big as this one. All right, here, give me some slack. Open the bell. All right, take the rod and just give me some more and then put in the rod holder. I'm gonna bring him in. That way, if it breaks, he breaks in the boat, we can get a picture with him.
We got
There you go.
another
Move over.
got me.
There you go.
You vicious little creature. Bigger than mine?
Oh, I tell you what, he might be.
Wait, put it.
So we have 3 sharks. You each caught a shark.
All right, let me get right here.
Last.
28.
Yeah, he's well to the fork.
Probably about the same.
Yeah, for the
Push
fork,
it
he's
up.
actually, I think, he's about the size to the fork. All right, you want to get a picture with him?
Yeah.
Cool. Can we get a picture with him? All right, ready? All right, nice and tight, okay? Nice and tight. Yep.
Squeeze him.
Squeeze him. Watch him because he will knock you in your,
Yeah.
you know what?
Hey, me.
I would like it.
Right here, buddy. Here, all three of you get together right there. Okay, let's put him in there. Well, I'll flame him for you.
Oh, we're keeping it?
Yeah.
We're going to eat some shark tonight.
Yep, nice and smooth.
Imagine it's one little tiny bait fish.
No.
No.
Oh, triggerfish.
What's that?
That.
Nice.
Nice.
All those
Mhm.
things are.
That is delicious to eat, buddy. Good job. And they fight pretty good, too, don't they?
Yeah.
Get him right here.
Figure that out.
Pretty work, man.
Those are things that keep stealing all my bait.
Yeah.
Well, no, not really.
Okay.
They can, but here, hold that. Drop your rod and hold that. Watch you, because he does got some chompers there.
I didn't know.
Yep, let me get a picture.
He's the new name. Chomp.
Those taste horrible, so I'll take it home for you.
Look up.
Those?
Yeah, they're horrible.
He's messing with you.
Here, right here, buddy. There you go. Yeah, perfect right there.
He looks bad.
He is nice.
Good one.
Y'all want to hold them up? Well, guys, that was a pretty good trip. Going out for round 2. All right, see you out there. Nice and smooth. Once you get him up, off the bottom, you're good. Just take your time and. Yep. No, well, don't stop. I don't mean that taking that much time. You got to keep that line tight the whole time. Keep that rod tip bent over. grouper. Nice. Hold that real quick. Wow. That's a good one. That's a pretty one. You should be a legal one too. Nice, good job. Pretty work. Oh man. Look at this. I got a grouper. I got a grouper and a red. Yeah, look at that. A grouper and a red. Nice. And I don't think I keep neither one of them. That's pretty nice. Nice grunt. Seriously, on top. A big grunt. Oh, another little scamp. Nice. A little scamp and a ringtail. Go, hold that up, get a picture for you. Nice. Nice. I'm doing pretty good on the groupers. Only got one legal one so far, though. Well, guys, we had a pretty good trip. The second trip, we went out, caught some groupers, found a legal grouper and some other grunts and stuff like that. But we came in, the wind picked up pretty good. So we came on in and getting gas and get ready for the next day. All right, guys, thanks for watching. God bless.